Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best non-toxic plug-in is probably one of the most sought-after products for health-conscious consumers who are looking for ways to freshen up their homes without exposing themselves and their families to harmful chemicals found in many conventional air fresheners. Many people are unaware of the potential dangers of synthetic fragrances and other volatile organic compounds, VOCs, commonly used in commercial air fresheners, which can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory problems. This video will help you navigate the market and choose the best non-toxic option for your home, ensuring a fresh-smelling and healthy living space. Number 5. Scentfil Lavender Air Freshener. Experience the calming aroma of lavender with our new air freshener. It's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere in any room. This air freshener uses only 100% natural lavender oil for a pure and authentic fragrance. Enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy in your home. Lavender is known for its calming properties. It can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, leading to a more peaceful environment. It helps create a tranquil atmosphere, ideal for unwinding before bed and improving sleep quality. Breathe in the serenity. This product is developed and manufactured in the USA, ensuring high quality and safety standards. You can trust its quality. Lavender's soothing aroma may help alleviate stress, headaches, and even migraines. Incorporate it into your daily routine for a sense of well-being. This kit comes with 2 refills and a diffuser, providing long-lasting fragrance and convenience. Enjoy a consistently fresh-smelling space. What we like? It's all natural and promotes relaxation with its calming lavender scent. If you're looking for a peaceful atmosphere in your bedroom, this is the perfect choice. Made in the USA, it ensures high quality and supports local businesses. What people say. The mix provides me with the right touch of floral tones and appears to last somewhat longer than most similar products. I bought these to help the bathroom where my cat's litter box is kept. This scent, I cannot say enough how it does great for pet odors without being too strong or cloying. The scent is just clean, pleasant, strong enough to make a true difference. They seem to last longer than other brands as well. Number 4. AromaPlan Waterless Diffuser. Unpleasant smells can affect your mood and productivity. This diffuser surrounds you with inspiring scents, perfect for home or office. It offers 500 square foot coverage, filling your space with a luxurious scent. It's easy to use, with automatic modes and scheduling options. Unlike messy diffusers, this one is completely waterless and quiet. Enjoy relaxing aromatherapy without the cleanup. It's safe for pets and kids, using only natural scents free of solvents and petroleum. Enjoy the wonderful benefits without worry. It uses NT10X technology to convert liquid perfume into dry vapor, scenting any environment quickly and efficiently. It's also very economical, using less than 1 milliliter per hour. Created by passionate entrepreneurs, it delivers high-quality fragrances and a truly memorable experience. It uses advanced technology for a powerful, 5-star hotel-like ambience. What we like? This diffuser boasts impressive coverage and a mess-free, quiet operation. If you need to freshen a large space without the noise or hassle of water, this is it. It's perfect for homes, offices, or even commercial spaces. What people say. It is sleek and complements my decor without being too big and flashy. Guests always compliment how good my home smells. It couldn't be easier to use. Simply fill the oil container with your favorite oil and plug it in. It starts diffusing immediately. This also allows you to buy oils from different vendors to try, where another diffuser only uses their overpriced oil containers. The mist disperses evenly and fills the room quickly with whatever fragrance you choose. Number 3. Enviroscent Lavender Tea and Honey Refills. Escape to tranquility with our Lavender Tea and Honey Air Freshener. The calming scent of lavender and honey will soothe your mind and create a serene atmosphere in your home. It's made without harmful chemicals, meeting strict EPA standards. Enjoy a fresh-smelling home without worrying about toxins. Experience fragrance that lasts. Each refill keeps your space smelling amazing for over 45 days, offering exceptional value. It's ideal for kitchens, living rooms, or bedrooms. It provides a pleasant scent without being overpowering. We're committed to sustainability. Our packaging and refills are made from responsibly sourced, biodegradable materials. What we like. It offers an incredibly long-lasting fragrance and is completely non-toxic, safe for your family and pets. If you prioritize sustainability and a fresh-smelling home without harsh chemicals, this is your best bet. The eco-friendly packaging is a bonus. What people say. What I love most is how long the scent actually lasts without being overwhelming. Unlike traditional air fresheners that hit you with an artificial burst, these provide a subtle, consistent fragrance that genuinely makes the air feel cleaner rather than just masked. I've tried this air freshener for several months and have found it to work very well with a nice, natural scent that isn't fake artificial smelling like other brands. The different scents definitely have different levels of strength. The ones I have tried, pumpkin, very light, would not get again rainwater and bamboo, light scent, like this one a lot sea salt and aloe, stronger scent, my family really likes it, seems strong to me at first but has lightened a bit as time goes on and is probably my favorite scent this far. Lasts right at 35 to 45 days. Number 2. Scent-Fill Peppermint Plug-in Kit. Experience the invigorating aroma of 100% natural peppermint oil. This starter kit includes everything you need to enjoy the refreshing scent in your home. It's developed and manufactured right here in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and standards. You can trust its natural ingredients and reliable performance. The kit comes with 4 refills of our premium peppermint oil. These refills are compatible with most air wick warmers for your convenience. Peppermint's menthol can help relieve cold symptoms. It can ease nasal congestion, coughs, and other respiratory issues, making it perfect for the colder months. Breathe easier and enjoy the refreshing scent of peppermint. It's a natural way to create a comfortable and healthy atmosphere in your home. With its natural ingredients and soothing aroma, it's the perfect way to create a calming and refreshing atmosphere in your home. Enjoy the benefits of natural peppermint. What we like. This invigorating peppermint option is all natural and perfect for the cold season. If you want a refreshing and natural way to clear nasal congestion, this is a great choice. Being made in the USA guarantees quality and supports domestic manufacturing. What people say. I love the outdoors, so I got these to plug into an outlet on my new porch. So far I have not once been bothered by mosquitoes. Normally I am a mosquito magnet. I live in humid East Texas. Not only do they smell great, but they also keeps the spiders out of the garage and cellar. The spiders hate the smell. I have this near the litter box and it masks the odor from the box very well. I can walk past it and only smell the lovely peppermint from the air freshener. Also, I have arthritis in my hands and this was so easy to install unlike other brands. Number 1. Enviroscent Lemon Leaf and Thyme Diffuser. It invigorates your spirit with zesty lemon leaf and inspires warm feelings of wellness with the scent of thyme. Create moments of serenity in your home. It adheres to the strictest EPA Safer Choice standards. It's free from harmful chemicals, making it safe for your family and pets. Enjoy its fresh scent for over 30 days with each refill. That's exceptional value for a home air freshener. It's ideal for small, cozy areas like a reading nook, office, or bathroom. It won't overpower your space. It's made with sustainably sourced paper and biodegradable refills. It's a natural and eco-conscious option for your home. What we like. This diffuser provides a long-lasting, non-toxic fragrance, ideal for smaller spaces. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to freshen up a small room or office, this is perfect. Its compact design makes it unobtrusive and efficient. What people say. It's crisp and clean, lemony. It does fill the space. I like the spring water and lotus scent, it's light but present. Overall, this product is aesthetically pleasing. I like that there is no oil that could spill. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.